This is not to my standards.
How do you reinforce that they keep up those expectations in the kitchen?
I just have to sit here and nag them until it gets done.
And does that help?
No, I don't ever clean the kitchen.
Why?
Because they have no consequences if they don't.
Oh.
Expectations and words are worthless if they're not enforced. Dad was on to something when he said consequence. But the problem is when some people hear consequence, they think this: oh, you're not going to do the dishes? Well, then you know what? We're taking your phone away. There's a few steps in between that we need to go through. So you look at your child and when they haven't done the dishes and you say, I noticed that the dishes are still in the sink. Pause. And then they say, oh, I was going to do it. They were always going to do it, right? I was going to do it. I was going to do it later. And you go, oh, yeah. Well, you know what? The issue that I'm having is I don't care when you do the dishes because I don't care. It's just we have to function in this house. Do we need to sit down and figure out a time on when the dishes will get done? I can't just wait for you to do the dishes because then I need to use a pot or a pan. When we approach our kids like this, it takes away the power struggle. Now, if at any moment your child begins to be rude to you and sassy, I said I was going to do it later. Hold on, excuse me. Let's try that again. And if they are sassy again, what I use is a program called 1, 2, 3 Magic. I go, that's 1, try again. Sassy again. That's 2. Try again, or I'm turning off the Wi-Fi this evening so that you can have time to do those dishes this evening. You can uphold boundaries. You can enforce boundaries with respect and not let your children disrespect you. Yes. Let's keep going.